Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
First, try a hard reset by holding the power and volume down buttons together until the Apple logo appears. Second, ensure your iPhone is charged for at least 30 minutes. Third, check for debris in the charging port and use a different cable or power adapter. If these steps fail, it may be a hardware issue requiring professional repair.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.